Good day everyone. In today's video, I will be explaining the air conditioning subject, which includes the sensible heating. So first, determine the heat required to raise 0.8 metric cube per second of air from 15 degrees Celsius and 60% RH to 35 degrees Celsius. So first, we need to locate the values using our psychrometric chart. For 15 degrees and 60% relative humidity. From there, you will get the enthalpy value of 34.2 kilojoules per kilogram and the volume, specific volume of 0.826 metric cube per kilogram. And we also have a constant similar case with finding H2. We have the relative humidity, or rather humidity ratio of 0.064 kilogram vapor per kilogram dry air. From there, we will be using the value we get since constant humidity ratio in finding the enthalpy 2. We have 35 degrees dry bulb temperature and 0.064 kilograms vapor per kilograms of dry air. And using the psychrometric chart, we'll be obtaining 54.8 kilojoules per kilogram. Since we have both the enthalpies of H2 and H1, we'll be plugging in this formula, which is Q is equals to M H2 minus H1. But before that, we'll get the mass flow rate. So mass flow rate can be get using our volume flow rate, which is 0.8 metric cube per second. Applying it here and we have specific volume 0.826, we will get 0.968 kilograms per second. From there, we will plug it here. So we have 0.968 kilograms per second times 54.8, which is the value of our H2, and minus H1, which is the value of 34.2. Cancel out kilograms, we have kilojoules per second, or kilowatts, which is having the value of 19.94 kilowatts. So our next question. Our room requires 1.2 metric cube per second of air. The outside air is at 12 degrees Celsius with 15% relative humidity and is heated to 30 degrees Celsius. Find the heat added. So we have here our dry bulb, which is initial dry bulb, which is 12 degrees Celsius and 15% relative humidity. So again, we'll be using our psychrometric chart to get this value, which is H1 25.5 kilojoules per kilogram. Specific volume 0.816 metric cube per kilogram, and the humidity ratio, which is 0.0044 kilograms vapor per kilograms dry air. And since this is constant humidity ratio, we will again put it here in getting the base from 30 degrees Celsius dry bulb temperature and our humidity ratio, which is 0.0044 kilograms vapor per kilograms dry air, which will be getting our enthalpy 2, which is 43.8 kilojoules per kilogram. Next, we will plugging in our mass flow rate, which is our volume flow rate over our specific volume, which is 1.2 over 0.816. That will result in 1.471 kilograms per second. The next, to get the heat added, Q, plugging in the mass flow rate, which is 1.471 kilograms per second. Then H2 minus H1, we have our H2, which is 43.8 minus H1 25.5. Cancel out the kilograms, which will be result in 26.92 kilowatts. That is all. Thank you.